In this playlist, we will go through the process of building the Linux and FreeRTOS AMP configuration demo using Yocto for PolarFire SoC. The demo will show the Linux operating system and the FreeRTOS real-time operating system running simultaneously in two independent software contexts. During this example, we will use some utilities like a terminal emulator to interact with the Icicle kit through a serial console. You can use your favorite one. In this video, we will use Minicom in Linux. A disk imager tool. This could be a GUI-based tool such as USB Imager, which supports Windows and Linux. Or, for example, the DD command line tool on Linux to write the image we are going to create. This video will show how to run the Linux and FreeRTOS demo using the 2021.11 Yocto release from the PolarFire SoC GitHub organization. Please make sure you use the latest software release when running these steps. The Icicle Kit reference design repository contains a release page with a job file to program the FPGA fabric and ENVM that can be programmed using Flash Pro Express. For more information on how to program the job file to the Icicle Kit using Flash Pro Express, please refer to the link in the description below. Next, let's do a check on the hardware requirements. Here's a list of the hardware needed to follow along with this playlist. An Icicle kit, a Linux build machine or a virtual machine, 2 micro USB cables, power connector. You will need to connect your Icicle kit via the DC power jack at J29. Secondly, you will need to connect your micro USB cable to the J16 USB OTG connector to your host PC. The eMMC content will be programmed through this connection. Finally, you will need a second micro USB cable connected at J11 to connect your UART ports for the board. Before proceeding with this playlist, make sure you have set up the Microchip's Yocto BSP layer in your Linux build machine or virtual machine. For more information on how to set up Microchip's Yocto BSP layer, please refer to the Introduction to Microchip's Yocto Layer YouTube video. Link is provided in the description below.